Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to improve your fluency in English without studying much. If you're looking for easy ways to practice English and become more fluent without spending hours on textbooks, this video is for you. Let's go over some simple techniques and strategies that will help you speak more confidently and naturally, even if you don't have a lot of time to study. Tip number 1. Practice shadowing. Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and try to repeat what they say at the same time, like you're their shadow. You can use YouTube videos, podcasts, or even movies for this. Choose content with subtitles, listen to a few sentences, and then try to speak along with the audio. This exercise helps you improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, all while getting you used to speaking English fluently. Aim for just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Tip number 2. Talk to yourself in English. It might sound funny, but narrating your actions or describing your day in English is a fantastic way to build fluency. For example, say, "I'm making a cup of coffee," or "Today, I'm going to meet a friend." This practice helps you get comfortable forming sentences and expressing your thoughts without pressure. The more you talk to yourself, the more natural speaking English will feel. Tip number 3. Use English in your daily routine. Incorporate English into your everyday activities. Change your phone's language to English, listen to English music, or watch your favorite shows with English subtitles. Following English-speaking influencers on social media can also help you understand the language better. These small changes help you think in English and expose you to the language without feeling like you're studying. Tip number 4. Record yourself speaking. Choose a topic, anything from introducing yourself to describing your favorite hobby, and record yourself. Listen to the recording and notice areas where you can improve. This exercise increases your awareness of your pronunciation and speaking habits. Over time, you'll hear your progress, which will motivate you to keep practicing. Tip number 5. Use language exchange apps. Apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky allow you to connect with native English speakers who want to learn your language. Chat with them for a few minutes every day, either through text or voice messages. You'll practice your conversational skills and make friends from around the world. This type of practice is more relaxed than formal study and helps you learn English in a natural context. Tip number 6. Use voice assistants to practice. If you have a voice assistant like Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa, try talking to them in English. Ask them questions, give commands, or even have simple conversations. This helps you practice speaking without feeling judged. For example, you can ask, "What's the weather like today?" or set a reminder for tomorrow at 9 a.m. Using voice assistants can be a fun way to incorporate English into your daily routine. Tip number 7. Join online communities. Find English-speaking groups on social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit, or language learning forums. Join discussions, comment on posts, and ask questions. Participating in online communities helps you use English in real-life contexts, and you can engage with people who have similar interests. It's a great way to learn new vocabulary and expressions without formal studying. Tip number 8. Watch short videos and repeat. Watch short English videos on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok and repeat what the speaker says. Choose content that interests you, like cooking tutorials, travel vlogs, or inspirational talks. Pause after each sentence, repeat it, and try to mimic the speaker's pronunciation and tone. You'll improve your listening skills and speaking fluency at the same time. Tip number 9. Sing along to English songs. Choose your favorite English songs and sing along. Pay attention to the lyrics and pronunciation. Singing along helps you practice speaking in a fun and relaxed way. It also helps you get used to the sounds and rhythm of English. Plus, it's a great way to learn new vocabulary and expressions in context. Tip number 10. Think in English. Start training your brain to think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try to think directly in English. For example, when you're walking outside, describe what you see in English. "The sky is blue," or "There's a red car." This habit helps you become more fluent and reduces the time you spend translating, making your speaking more spontaneous. With these tips, you'll be able to improve your English fluency without spending too much time studying. Try incorporating a few of these techniques into your daily routine, and you'll see progress before you know it. Thank you for watching and keep practicing. Happy learning!